Good morning, 12th standard, and as all of you know that we are ready for the second lecture of Hello Alkane and Hello Arenes. In the previous one lecture, we have already discussed about the classification of Hello Alkanes and Hello Alkenes, Hello Arenes, and today we are going to discuss about the preparation of Hello Alkanes. ठीक है बेटा? Methods of preparation of Hello Alkane and Hello Arenes. The first one method which we are taking, that is the haloalkanes can be prepared from alcohols. So this is the simplest one method, and as all of you know that alcohols are easily replaced. These are easily replaced by halogen on reaction. ठीक है? With concentrated halo acids. किसी भी halo acids के साथ जब हम हेलोजेंस के को रिप्लेस करते हैं थ्रू किसके hydroxyl group के, then haloalkanes are prepared. So we can see here there are the different methods like the alcohol when react with the hydrochloric acid in the presence of zinc chloride, then it gives RCl. बच्चे होता क्या है, ये आपका OH बॉन्ड जो है that is replaced और क्लोरीन जो है वो कहाँ आ जाएगा, यहाँ आ जाएगा. ठीक है, it comes up this one bond and it will form RCl with the release of hydrogen gas, not release of hydrogen, here it is water, with the release of water. और ये बनेगा आपका OH जो है वो किसके पास जाएगा, हाइड्रोजन के पास, and it forms water. ठीक है, in this reaction basically we can say that primary and secondary alcohol जो कि मैं आप ऑलरेडी आपके साथ डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ. So primary and secondary alcohols, these are basically they react or they require HCl in the presence of catalyst, that is zinc chloride. Whereas if we are talking about the tertiary alcohols, so the tertiary alcohols can easily form the haloalkanes directly by reacting it or by directly shaking it with concentrated HCl at room temperature. Means the tertiary alcohol, यहाँ पे लिख लीजिए, tertiary alcohols do not need जिंक क्लोराइड. ठीक है, किस किस को चाहिए होता है, प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल्स को चाहिए होता है. तो दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट वन पॉइंट हियर व्हिच वी कैन सी. अनदर वन मेथड दैट अल्कोहल्स दैट कैन आल्सो when react with sodium bromide and H2SO4, so it also forms the haloalkanes and bromides can be formed, like RBr it is to be formed, and here the reaction will take place. जैसे ये देखो बेटा ऐसे टूटेगा, H2SO4 भी आपका जो है ये यहाँ पर जो टूट रहा है वो इस तरीके से टूट रहा है, H पॉजिटिव और HSO4 नेगेटिव. तो अब अगर आप इसको देखें तो अब सिंपली you can take it that OH ये नेगेटिव है, तो Br that goes and react with Rb, इसके साथ R के साथ ये बन गया RBr, Na और Na आपका आ गया NaHSO4 एंड साथ में ये H जो है that combines with ये आ गया वाटर का बनाना. ठीक है, so the water is to be formed here. So RBr means आपका क्या बना, haloalkane, that is bromoalkane plus NaHSO4 and water is to be released. This is the another one second method. Third one अगर हम बात करते हैं तो haloalkanes can also be prepared by reacting alcohols with phosphorus trihalide और phosphorus pentahalides. ठीक है, phosphorus trihalide और phosphorus pentahalides के साथ भी हम प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. जैसा कि ROH PH3 के साथ करेगा तो आपका क्या दे देगा, फॉस्फोरिक एसिड विद haloalkanes दे देगा. And similarly when it reacts with the pentachloride, then also it will gives your what, that it will gives the haloalkane and साथ में आपका that it will gives phosphoryl chloride and HCl. ठीक, there is another one method that in which a thionyl chloride when react with ROH, it gives haloalkane, RCl, and SO2 and HCl. Now this method is more preferable. ये आपका ये वाला method more preferable होता है. This one method is the more preferable. The reason behind a more preferability of this method, because both the other two products here are the gaseous one in nature. ये क्या है? दोनों के दोनों gaseous हैं. Similarly, in the another one method, ROH, when it can also be prepared, it can be converted into the haloalkanes by reacting a mixture that is a C2SiTu. इसको C2 भी कहते हैं. इसको ठीक है, इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? C2. C2 is nothing but it is a reaction mixture when red phosphorus combines in the presence of halogens. ठीक है, so C2 is, that is the reaction with the product which is produced, the product which is produced in the reaction mixture of red phosphorus with halogens. ठीक है, so in this one also C2 के साथ जब आपका reaction of red phosphorus with bromine या reaction of red phosphorus with iodine is taken place, then also we can prepare here bromoalkane or iodoalkane. ठीक है बेटा, so this is the one method, as I have told you that from alcohols we can prepare it, and the next one is, so here we have seen that like ROH HCl के साथ RCl plus water देता है. जैसा मैंने कहा प्राइमरी अल्कोहल HCl के साथ करा, फॉर एग्जांपल इथेनॉल वी हैव टेकन, और इथेनॉल क्या बना रहा है आपका? इथाइल क्लोराइड विद वाटर. ठीक है, CH3 CH2 Cl बना दिया. सिमिलरली अगर इसकी बात करते हैं तो ये आपका ये मिल गया बेटा, ठीक, वाटर बन गया, और बाकी बना आपका CH3 CH3 in the presence of, ये कैसा है आपका? ये आपका सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल है, तो जिंक क्लोराइड की प्रेजेंस में होगा, and it will give us a CH3 CH3 CH plus water. Similarly अगर हम ROH plus ECl फाइट कर रहे हैं, ये मैं आपको पहले बता चुकी हूँ, बट जस्ट एग्जाम्पल के साथ कर रहे हैं. सो इथेनॉल अगर फास्फोरस ट्राइक्लोराइड के साथ कर रहा है तो बना देगा इथाइल क्लोराइड प्लस H3PO4. जबकि अगर सेम इथेनॉल PCl फाइट के साथ करता है, देन आल्सो क्लोरोइथेन विद POCl3 प्लस HCl बन जाएगा. ठीक है आपका, दिस इज टू बी फॉर्म्ड. So beta, we were talking about the free radical halogenation, and in which we have free radical halogenation that can be seen from the hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbon में अगर हम free radical halogenation देखते हैं, so your haloalkanes can be prepared from the alkanes in this manner. Like for example, butane we have taken, and in the chlorination in ultraviolet, in presence of ultraviolet light, and when we heat this compound, then it gives a two isomers product. ठीक है, one is the chlorobutane and chlorobutane normal, and second one is the 2-chlorobutane. ठीक है, so these are the two isomers product will be possible here. Whereas when we are taking like a tertiary tertiary haloalkanes or tertiary carbon like this neopentane, if we have chosen and react it with the chlorine in presence of ultraviolet light, then it will give us the CH3C CH3 CH3 CH2 Cl. So in this one case, in neo one case, the formation of isomeric product is not possible. So this is a pointer, this is a note point कि अगर हम normal ले रहे हैं तो there will be the isomers produced, but when we are not taking the normal one, then isomeric product will not be possible. Similarly, if we have taken the arene in case, so like toluene if we have taken, and the bromination we have done in the presence of ultraviolet light, then a benzyl bromide with release of HBr is to be produced. Similarly, अगर हम क्या लेते हैं आपका alkene ले रहे हैं and chlorination कर रहे हैं, like CH3 CH double bond CH2 when we have taken in gas phase under 773 Kelvin to 873 Kelvin, a condition provide की गई है 773 Kelvin to 873 Kelvin, then in that one case we can also obtain the allylic chloride. Like for example CH3, ये देखो बेटा, इधर देखिए, यहाँ से आपका एक H जो है वो रिमूव हुआ है, डबल बॉन्ड जो हुआ that shift up toward this carbon, ये इस कार्बन पर शिफ्ट हुआ and it will formed in between CH2 CH and here the CH2 Cl is to be formed. एक H जो यहाँ से रिमूव हुआ है that is going to be combined with this chlorine and forms HCl. ठीक है, so ये आपका बन रहा है in this one. So 3-chloro-prop-1ene is to be formed. Now hello chloro alkane, or we can say the haloalkane can also be produced from alkenes. Like it can be, we can obtain it by reacting the alkenes with halogen acids. Like if we are taking a symmetrical alkene, then there is the possibility कि H और X आपका H जो है वो एक कार्बन पे जाके जुड़ जाए और X जो है वो आपका एक कार्बन पे जुड़ जाए. So there is the formation of a haloalkane is to be produced. But if there is the case of unsymmetrical alkenes, then it will follow Markovnikov rule, and in the presence of peroxide it will follow the anti-Markovnikov rule, which you have studied in the 11th standard and in this year also during the revision of general concepts. Okay, so that we have done. So beta, we were talking about the preparation of haloalkenes. तो हमने ये बात करी थी कि from alkenes also we can prepare it like HX के साथ. अगर symmetrical alkenes में कर रहे हैं तो आपका इसमें H जो है वो किसी भी कार्बन पे आ जाएगा और X जो है वो किसी भी कार्बन पे जुड़ जाएगा इस तरीके से. But if it is unsymmetrical alkenes में there are the two laws follows, जैसा कि मैंने पहले बताया, Markovnikov and anti-Markovnikov. If we are talking about the Markovnikov, then this is will become that Markovnikov rule says that the negative part of the addendum, negative part जो होगा molecule का, that goes to the carbon of double bond which is having lesser number of hydrogen atom. ठीक है, तो जिसके पास लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन होंगे डबल बॉन्ड के दोनों साइड के कार्बन में, जिस कार्बन के पास लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन होंगे, नेगेटिव पार्ट जो है उस वाले पार्ट कार्बन पर जुड़ेगा. सो नेगेटिव पार्ट Cl है, it will goes to this carbon because this carbon is having a how many number of hydrogen? 1, whereas the first carbon is having a 2 hydrogen. So the positive part will go to this and it will become 2-chloropropane. If we are talking about the anti-Markovnikov rule, so anti-Markovnikov rule plays important role in the presence of peroxide. So like for example, similarly propene I have taken in the presence of HBr and peroxide, it will play an anti-Markovnikov rule in which it is just the vice versa of Markovnikov. इसमें negative part of the addendum that goes to the carbon of double bond carbon which is having more number of hydrogen. तो यहाँ पर आपका ब्रोमो जो है that will goes to this carbon. Fine, किस वाले पार्ट में? Peroxide when we are taking. ठीक. So in this one it will become CH3 CH2 CH2Br, that plays anti-Markovnikov rule. But in the absence of peroxide, it just shows the Markovnikov rule, and bromo will attach to the carbon which is having a lesser number of hydrogen, and here the 2-bromopropane will be the final product, whereas according to the in the presence of peroxide, your 1-bromopropane will be the product. ठीक है. Next type of reaction beta, we can also prepare haloalkane by the halogen exchange, and there are the two methods. These are the name reactions also. Finkelstein reaction which has taken place when your haloalkanes जो होते हैं आपके alkyl halides when react with the sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone, then it will produce the Ri. ठीक है. ओके बेटा, सो 2-bromopropane, ये हमने बात करी कि आपका क्या हुआ है, एक्सचेंज ना, एक्सचेंज टेकन प्लेस इन बिटवीन X एंड R. इन दोनों के बीच में एक्सचेंज हुआ है. दैट as you can see here, NaX बन गया. X can be chloro or bromo, and from here this method is basically used to prepare the iodoalkanes. Fine. So iodoalkane when we want to produce, then we can take the haloalkanes, RCl, RBr, react with the sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone, and we will get the iodoalkanes with release of sodium chloride or sodium bromide depending on what Rx we have taken. In this one method, Ri is easily obtained because sodium chloride or sodium bromide that gets precipitated in the presence of dry acetone, which can be filtered out later on, and this one also prevents the backward reaction. Okay, it follows the Lee-Chatelier principle and it always move in the forward direction. This is the another one type of a reaction for exchange of ions or for exchange of halogens is the Schwarz reaction, in which we can say the bromoalkanes or the chloroalkanes when react with the silver fluoride converted into the yellow fluoroalkanes. But iodo or fluoro जो है वो usually iodo is prepared by the your Finkelstein reaction and fluoro is obtained by the Schwarz reaction. In when chloro or bromoalkane react with the silver fluoride or we can say the mercurous fluoride Hg2F2, then it will give a fluoroalkane with the release of silver bromide or with the release of mercurous chloride. ठीक है, mercurous chloride, mercurous bromide ये हमें देते हैं. ओके So, beta, now we will see the bielectrophilic substitution, the another one method of the preparation in which benzene when react with the halogens in the presence of a Lewis acid like FeX3, FeCl3, FeBr3 or anhydrous aluminium chloride in the presence when in dark under dark, then it gives us the haloarenes. Haloarenes with the release of HX, hydrogen halides. X can be here chlorine or bromine. Similarly, like for example, you can see here जब chlorination किया गया in the presence of anhydrous Cl3, benzene का तो हमें क्या मिला chlorobenzene plus HCl. This you have studied in your 11th standard also, the mechanism which you have seen. And similarly, the bromination under the in presence of anhydrous FeCl3, we have seen that the bromobenzene is to be obtained. Reaction directly with fluorine is very violent and it can't be controlled, due to which fluoroarenes जो होते हैं that cannot be prepared by the direct chlorination. So please just note down this point also. Similarly, iodoarenes are also can't be prepared by the direct iodination method because the reaction is reversible and hydrogen iodide which is produced during this, that is a strong reducing agent. Fine. So as you can see here, that benzene when react with iodine, it gives iodobenzene plus hydrogen iodide. But ये क्या है? Strong reducing agent है, due to which the reaction is reversible और आपके reactant मिल जाएंगे. So the product will not be achieved. ठीक है? So that's why there is another one, toluene when react with the halogens in the presence of iron या Lewis acid या iron की presence में हम ले लें. तो हमें ऑर्थो बिकॉज टोलुइन इज ऑर्थो पैरा डायरेक्टिंग है हेलोजेंस के साथ, सो इट विल फॉर्म योर मिथाइल बेंजीन और हम कह सकते हैं ऑर्थो देयर इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ऑर्थो हेलो टोलुइन, ऑर्थो हेलो टोलुइन और पैरा हेलो toluene. So this is all about your electrophilic substitution reaction. So beta, when we are taking the another one type of a Sand-Meyer reaction, the another one reaction when primary aromatic amine is treated with sodium nitrite in the presence of hydrogen, aqueous hydrogen halides during in between the temperature of 0 degree to 5 degrees Celsius, then benzene disonium chloride salt is produced with release of water. ठीक है? That is N2Cl, N2 positive, Cl negative. This is a benzene disonium chloride which is to be produced. Now benzene disonium chloride को अगर water के साथ warm करते हैं, then we get the benzene. ये conversion में use हो सकता है. Similarly, अगर हम H3PO2 और water और copper की presence में अगर इसको react कराते हैं, then also we can obtain benzene. If it is treated with the ethanol, then also benzene is to be obtained. And the another one reaction which we move further, that is the Sand-Meyer reaction. Sand-Meyer reaction में benzene disonium salt जो होता है, that is treated with the cuprous halides in the presence of aqueous hydrogen halides, then the halobenzene or haloarine is to be obtained with the release of nitrogen gas. Like for example, ये general reaction है that N2Cl negative Cu2H2 के साथ in the presence of HX, ठीक है, हाइड्रोजन हैलाइड में करोगे तो बेटा आपको हाइड्रोजन हेलोअरीन प्लस N2 मिलेगा. X कैन बी हियर, दैट कैन बी क्लोरो, दैट कैन बी ब्रोमो एक्सेट्रा. Similarly, ऐसे ही N2Cl benzene diazonium chloride when treated with cuprous chloride in the presence of hydrogen chloride, then chlorobenzene can be obtained, and when it is treated with cuprous bromide in the presence of HBr, then bromobenzene is to be obtained. हम आइडोबेंजीन कैसे प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं? That is benzene diazonium chloride when treated with potassium iodide. It is not treated डायरेक्टली प्रिपरेशन बेंजीन डाइजोनियम से, आइडोबेंजीन की नहीं है या आइडोअरीन्स की नहीं है. जैसा कि पहले भी बता दिया है, आपका फ्लोरिनेशन आयोडोनेशन थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट चलता है, differently behave करते हैं. So in this manner also it is treated when treated with potassium iodide and warm the mixture, then we obtain the iodobenzene with release of N2 and KCl. So this is all about the preparatory methods of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Today we have learned that from halogens, from when we treated the alkanes with the halogens in the presence of sunlight, then we obtain the haloalkanes. When we do the electrophilic substitution in the presence of Lewis acids, of arenes with halogens, then we can obtain the haloarenes. Schwarz reaction, Finkelstein से direct exchange of halogens हो सकता है. Then we have also studied about the your Sandmeyer reactions, and from alcohols also we have learned. So this is all about the preparatory methods or preparations of haloalkanes. Today we have learned. Just go through your NCERT book and do all the topics, whatever preparation methods we have studied, along with the three name reactions, that is Sandmeyer, Finkelstein and Schwarz reaction in your NCERT book. So thank you.